How to know if someone muted you on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to know if someone muted you on WhatsApp. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app, also one of the best video chat apps that allows users to send text messages, photos, videos, and voice messages. It also has a feature that allows users to mute notifications from specific contacts or groups. This can be useful if you want to avoid being bombarded with notifications from someone who messages you quite frequently. However, if you think you might have been muted by someone, there are a few things you can look for to confirm. First, you don't see any typing indicators when they are typing a message. Second, your messages are delivered, but they don't show as read. Third, you don't see any double blue ticks when your messages are read. Fourth, your messages are sent as unread even though the other person has been online recently. And lastly, you don't receive any notification sounds or vibrations when they send you a message. It is important to note that these signs are not always conclusive. For example, if the other person has their phone turned off or they're not connected to the internet, your messages may not show as read or delivered. Additionally, if they have muted notification for all chats, you won't receive any notification sounds or vibrations regardless of whether they have muted you specifically. So this is how you can know if someone muted you on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.